So, all the student, today we are discussing your important topic, nutrition and health. So, in this topic we are discussing the what is the nutrition, classification of nutrition, why need for nutrition. So, let us start about your topic. So, nutrition and health. Nutrition may be defined as a science of food. So, it is a relationship to health. So, it is a primarily to a part of play by the nutrient in the our body, like a body growth, development, maintain, and repairing tissue also. So, the word is a nutrient like a food factor. So is used for the specific dietary content such as the protein, vitamin, mineral, and other particle apply for the principally of a nutrition. So it include the planning of a meal for the as well. So these is like a good nutrient mean a maintain of your healthy status. So it can be a well and enjoy a healthy life. So nutrition like it is the give your body so what it need. So everything you eat contain nutrient. So your body uses a nutrient. It may be anyway like as an the energy source to heal and build up and repairing tissue, to status growth, to help the support oxygen to cell, to regulate body function. So these are the function of nutrient. So six type of nutrient you can eat like a carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamin, mineral and water. So carbohydrate, protein and fat provide energy. So other one like a vitamin, mineral and water is a perform a variety of other function like a regulation of body function. So mainly nutrition is mainly it can be provided energy to your body like a mechanically, chemically. So it can be help for the maintain of your body like a body function. It can be used for energy. It can be a repairing of tissue. It can be help for a build up your body and growth of body. So other function. So classification of food like a carbohydrate, protein, fat, mineral, salt and water and vitamins also. So mainly carbohydrate like a starch and sugar found in a food. So it can be a work like a body prefers a source of energy. So provide a calorie per gram, 4 calorie per gram. So healthy and accepted and recommend that 45 to 65 percentage of body your daily diet is calorie come from the carbohydrate. So again I will discuss what is the carbohydrate. Carbohydrate is the main source of your nutrient. Like it can be found in a starch and sugar found in a food. So body is preferred source or of a energy. So provide a 4 calorie per gram. So health is accepted is recommend in 45 to 65 percentage of your daily calorie come from the carbohydrate. So type of carbohydrate like there are three type of carbohydrate. First one is simple, second one is complex and fiber. So these are three type of carbohydrate. So simple carbohydrate like they are simple like a sugar. So they are found in the fruit or some other vegetable and milk. So so sugar is also called in the sucrose and lactose and maltose and saccharose. So provide a short bottles of the energy. So mainly the simple carbohydrates is food in the found in the food. Again I will discuss the simple carbohydrate are the found in the food such as a fruit like a apple, grapes. So other one is like a milk. It can be a give the carbohydrate, fat and calcium also and other vegetable like a fiber type vegetable. So other sugar product like a cake, candy. So these are the main provided energy. So but lack vitamin and minerals and fibers. So complex carbon like a commonly known as a starch and long energy. So long chain of a sugar like a together. So source including of the complex carbohydrate and like a grain product such as the bread, paste, bean, root vegetables such as the potato. So these are the main source of the complex carbo. And next one is the fiber. So fiber is found in the like it is a part of the fruit, vegetable and grains and specific form of the complex carbon because it can be a similar to each other. So cannot be a digest easily but use as the energy. So it is a play the important function in the reduce like a cancer, repairing a tissue, heart disease, and type 2 diabetes. So type 2 diabetes patient we can use in the fiber product. So it can be help move a waste through by the system and prevent the constipation. So it can be maintain the body function. Like it can be regulate the digestive system. So maintain the digestive system. It can be prevention from the constipation. So it can be reduce the intestinal problem. So mainly role of the carbohydrate. So why we need of the carbohydrate? What is the important role and as well as function of carbohydrate? So the body is converted for your sugar to a glucose. So glucose that is a not used is converted into the glycogen. So and is stored in the muscles and as well as the liver. So when the people is consume a more than so it is a use or a need it is a stored as a fat. So next one is the protein. Protein is also play the important role in the nutrition like a nutrient that help build and maintain a body tissue like a muscle, bone, connective tissue, teeth, skin, blood and vital organ. So protein is also important and it is a it can be a your balanced diet like a nutrient that help the build up and maintain your body tissue. So it is mainly 4 calorie per gram. So made up of chain of protein like it is made up of amino acid. So your body can make all but 9 to 20 different amino acid. So 9 amino acid like essential amino acid because they must come from the food of your eating. So protein is also play the important role of your nutrient. Like we can found in like a nut, fish, meat. So good source of the protein. So these are the good source of the protein. So complete protein like contain all 9 of the essential amino acid. So we can source of again I will discuss the source of protein like a nut, fish, meat. So these are the good source of protein. So complete protein contain of the amino acid. So animal products such as the fish, meat, egg, milk, cheese. So many other soybean products we can eat rich of source of the protein. So incomplete protein like a lack some of the essential amino acids. So you called the lack of some of essential amino acids you should be called the incomplete protein like a nut, whole grain and seeds. So combining incomplete protein may be an equivalent to a complete protein. So mainly what is the role of the protein? So basically build materials of all body cell. So it can be a build up of your material. So basically it can be a build up your body and as well as a body cell repairing like a muscle, bone, skin and internal organ. So protein is a hemoglobin in your blood. Your red blood cells is carrying oxygen to all the cell. So it can be helping the production of hormone chemicals that regulate the activity of your body system. So these are the important role of the protein. So 10 to 50 percentage of daily calories should be come from the protein. So like a teen girl is 46 gain per day. So teen boy is near about 52% is gain per day. So it is a very essential amino acid. These can be play the important role of your body because it can be help for maintain the body function as well as it can be build up body and it can be regulate the body function like a, how it can be a release from the hormone, so it can be a develop of your body. So next one is a fat. So type of lipid which is the fatty substance that does not be dissolve in a water. So less than 25 to 35 percentage of calorie should come from fat. So type of fat like a unsaturated fat, saturated fat and trans fat. So these three type of fat. First one is unsaturated fat. So eating unsaturated fat is a moderate amount may lower your risk of a heart disease. So it is a very important. It can be a low risk of your heart disease like a vascular disease, congestive heart failure. So saturated fat like a consuming too much saturated fat may increase your risk of heart disease like a hypertension, congestive heart failure, myocardial infarction, increase the cholesterol level. Tannin fat, daily tannin fat can be rise your total blood cholesterol level. So it can be a mainly risk of the heart disease like a, it can be improve the heart disease like a congestive heart failure, arrhythmia. So mainly tannin fat can be a rise your total blood cholesterol level. So which is increase your risk of the heart disease. So saturated fat is fatty acid is whole all the hydrogen atom in can. So animal fat like a topical oil or fat that is solid or semi-solid at both are position. So at the room temperature and associated with the heart disease. So mainly fat you can risk of the heart disease. So health issue of the fat like your body need a certain amount of a fat to carry out it a basic function like consuming a lot of fat can lead to a unhealthy food like a weight gain, obesity and other health risks. So it can be like a health issue of the fat like essential fatty acid are important to like a brain development, blood clotting, controlling inflammation, maintain healthy skin and hair. So it sometimes so some either it is play the essential role and fatty acid are important to your body like a brain development and blood clotting. So it is also play the important role your body and maintain of body function like a developmenting. So control inflammation. So maintain a well healthy like a skin and hair. So main role of fat like a fat is provide the concentration from of energy. So fat is also absorber transport fat soluble vitamin like A, D, E and K through by the bloodstream. So mainly it can be absorbed and transport fat soluble vitamin like vitamin A, D, E and K through by the bloodstream.